go through our demo of the Smart Health Mirror. So you'll see here that we have a weighing scale there taking your weight, which is here. So your weight here. Also the sensors take your height measurements. We also go through your vitals, which is your heart rate, respiration rate. We record your body temperature, level of hydration, muscle mass, bone mass, body fat percentage, and your target calories.
Is it accurate?
It's 98% accurate. We've done our scientific studies in comparison with various other brands that are available, and also the DEXA, which is gold standard. Okay. We also have various other connected devices, so we can go through your vitals here as well. So if you raise your hand up, you'll see that your systems change from skeletal to organs to central nervous system. And you do that just by scanning over here, and they will change, and then again. And also the mirror can determine whether you're male or female, and also whether you're happy, sad or neutral. So we're using this as a preventative healthcare measure so that we can track and monitor all of the vitals either daily, weekly, monthly, to use to predict whether somebody will be more susceptible to a certain illness or health condition by tracking and monitoring all of their vital statistics.
That's amazing. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll also tell you a little bit about some of our other connected devices. So all of the scanners and the information is taken through this mirror by using all of the technology that we also have available in our connected devices. So we have the connected blood pressure monitor so that you can track and monitor your blood pressure. This is amazing. We also have the connected glucometer. So with this one, it takes your blood sugar level without actually taking any blood. Yeah, it's really interesting. In just like 5 seconds, it takes the information. Thank you. And we also have the activity tracker and watch. So this device here is like a Fitbit, but it's more of a fashion accessory. And the Fit Watch as well, with the activity tracker.
Nice.
So yeah, all of our company is based here in Dubai, and all of the technology is available here right now.
Thank you.
Great, thank you.